We're on site and I want to create a new project file using the survey application. So what do we do? I can actually click on this top right hand corner where it says create new, and I can give the project file a name. So what I'm going to call it, we are basically, if you couldn't tell, we're in London because you may have heard those sirens in the background, but I'm going to call it my new London project file. And then we have a couple of options to save it either to the cloud, or we can save it to the hard drive of the Psychic if we would like to. So I'm going to simply hit continue. And once I hit continue, we'll have a couple of different options for bringing in a floor plan to the project file. The method that I'm going to use is actually bringing in the photo from my photo library, because I've got the floor plans already provided to us. A couple of other options is to take a photo. So maybe there's a fire escape plan that I want to take a picture of to use to survey with. Apple Maps, if I want to import the outdoor location of where I am as a floor plan to then survey on top of, I can do that. And then Just Go, which is at the bottom of the options here, but we'll go through that later on today. So I'm going to simply hit Photo Library, pick my floor plan and import it. I can then give the floor plan a name, and we are on the 3rd floor of the office, so I'm going to call it 3rd floor. Then this part is extremely important, scaling our floor plan. I can't tell you how important that this is we get it accurate, because if we are off on our scale, everything that we do is distance related inside of the survey project, and when we're doing our Wi-Fi survey data collection, if this is inaccurate, it can really skew our data. So we want to make sure we capture the scale of the floor plan accurately, and I'm going to show you a couple of methods that we can do on site to actually get an accurate scale of the floor plan. So let's move on to the scaling.